The Milwaukee M18 Battery Kit is a high-capacity power solution featuring an impressive 5,000 milliampere-hour lithium-ion battery that provides extended runtime for demanding tasks. Designed with user convenience in mind, this kit includes 2 replacement batteries and a versatile charger that supports various Milwaukee models, ensuring compatibility across your tools. This kit's robust power design ensures consistent performance, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require reliable power on the job site. Safety is a top priority with the Milwaukee M18 Battery Kit, as it includes built-in protection against overcharging and extreme conditions, enhancing both safety and battery longevity. Purchasers can feel confident in their investment with a generous 30-day money-back guarantee and 18 months of quality service support. The Volt 7099 brand stands out for providing excellent customer service, offering round-the-clock support to address any questions or concerns about battery usage and maintenance.